जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई। जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई। जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी जैसे
अगले जन्म विच अल्लाह ऐसा खेल रचा के भेजे बना के भेजे तैनू मैं बना के भेजे के फिर तैनू पता लगना। अगले जन्म विच अल्लाह ऐसा खेल रचा के भेजे बना के भेजे तैनू मैं बना के भेजे के फिर तैनू पता लगना।
Good morning everyone, my name is Samara. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am going to say about Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna was the second president of India and first vice president of India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna was born on 5th September at 1888 in Tiruttanni village in the Tamil Nadu. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna was completed his graduation from Madras College. In 1909, he started teaching philosophy at the Madras Presidency College as a junior lecturer. He received the Bharat Ratna Award in 1954. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna tried very hard to get the importance of teachers' right. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna was died on 17 April 1975.
Good morning, respected correspondent sir, principal madam, all teachers and my dear friends. My name is Risa Hank. I am studying in 5th class. I would like to share about my class teacher on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Our class teacher is Mrs. Shilpa teacher who teaches Hindi and abacus effectively and easily understanding. She is inspiring, supportive and caring towards all the children. She is best in giving knowledge and making the subject clear. She teaches us good habits and moral values. She also tells us interesting stories. I am very proud of my teacher and I like her very much. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers, principal ma'am and dear students. On this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank our PT teacher. PT teacher makes us strong and active. We enjoy sports because of their guidance and encouragement. Happy Teachers' Day, teachers. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day. This day is very special for all of us because we get a chance to thank our dear teachers. I feel very happy to talk about my EVS teacher, I Saujanya. She is like a guide, a friend and a parent of us in school. She teaches lessons with patience and kindness. Whenever we make mistakes, she corrects us with love. She is always encouraged us to study well and be good human beings. Thank you, teacher.
బడిలో కొలువై దేవుడిలా ఆ హృదయంలో నిలవైనారు. బడిలో కొలువై దేవుడిలా ఆ హృదయంలో నిలవైనారు. అలుపే తెలియక శ్రమ చేసేటి ఆదర్శ ఉపాధ్యాయులు మీరు. బడిలో కొలువై దేవుడిలా కొలువై దేవుడిలా మా హృదయంలో నిలవైనారు అలుపే తెలియక శ్రమ చేసేటి ఆదర్శ ఉపాధ్యాయులు మీరు బడిలో కొలువై దేవుడిలా విద్య అంటేనే గురువే కదరా విద్యార్థులకది వరమే కదరా విద్య అంటేనే గురువే కదరా విద్యార్థులకది వరమే కదరా విజ్ఞాన